rod from Goofish, slow pitch jigging rod that I'm going to be unboxing. As you guys know, I do a lot of burger jigging, and decided to give the slow pitch jigging a try. Here we go. A lot lighter than it is in the looks. Nope, nothing else. Check the guides. Looks good. Looks pretty solid so far. Tango free guides. Fuji guides. Alright. 6 slow jigging. Looks pretty well built. It's very light, very light. Looks like a spiral right to left. Spiral is right. Alright, I will. Doable, and it's rated 120 250 grams, max 300 grams. Very light. I'm going to be pairing it off with a Bass Pro Shops Ocean Master slow pitch jigging reel. Specs on this one is one ball bearing, weighs 14 ounces, max drag is at full 17 amp. I'm pairing it with the Ocean Master jigging reel from Bass Pro Shop. If anything goes wrong, I can just take it back to them. I like to keep it local than ordering overseas, but there's a lot of good reels out there. I decided to go local with this one. Let's see, ball bearing. 9 ball bearings, 8+1, weight 14 ounces, max drag 13 on strike, 17 full, and I'm probably going to be going with 20-pound braid. So 20-pound braid, 200 yards at 40 pounds, so I'm going to say double that. It's going to be 610 with 20 pounds, so that's like about 1,800 feet. Give or take. Retrieval is 35 inches per turn, and gear ratio is 6:1. Inside box. 14 ounces. This is a made in Taiwan. I think it's the same company as Maxo. Pretty smooth reel. Now we'll be spooning this. Jig underneath my forearm like this, and I'll be pulling it. Just like that. Oop. 6/6 rod. And you can get this on their website or Amazon. Again, been reading a lot about it, been hearing a lot about it. I figure I'd give it a try, see how it goes. Probably going to be seeing me using it a lot if everything works out. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Peace.